If you're seeing Facebook error 999, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick and easy fixes you can try right now. This is a common error that can happen when Facebook runs into a temporary loading issue, a browser problem, or even a connection-related glitch. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a couple of minutes without needing any advanced steps. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, try refreshing the page. On your keyboard, press F5 or use the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes Facebook error 999 appears because the page didn't load properly the first time, and a simple refresh is enough to clear it. After refreshing, give the page a few seconds to reload and check whether the error disappears. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt Facebook's loading process and trigger errors like this one. Make sure Wi-Fi is working properly, try opening another website, and see if everything else loads normally. If your connection seems slow, restart your router or switch to a different network if possible. A stable connection can often solve the issue immediately. Now, if the error is still showing, try logging out of Facebook and then logging back in again. Sometimes your session can become temporarily stuck or outdated, and signing out can reset that connection. Once you log back in, return to the page and see if Facebook loads correctly. This is a simple step, but it can fix a lot of random account-related problems. Another great fix is to try Incognito Mode. Open a private window in your browser and visit Facebook there. Incognito Mode helps you test whether the problem is being caused by cookies, cache, or browser extensions. If Facebook works normally in Incognito Mode, then the issue is probably related to your browser data. In that case, you may want to clear your browser cache and cookies or disable any extensions that could be interfering with Facebook. If none of those steps work, try closing your browser completely and opening it again. You can also restart your device, because sometimes a fresh restart clears temporary glitches that affect websites like Facebook. After rebooting, open Facebook again and check if the error is gone. So to recap, the main fixes for Facebook error 999 are to refresh the page, check your internet connection, log out and log back in, and try Incognito Mode. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem fast. If you want, you can also combine them. For example, restart your browser, then try private mode, then sign in again. That often gives the best results. If this tutorial helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fix videos. And if you're still having trouble with Facebook error 999, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.